I'm doing a songwriting project that uses the psychological model of secondary structural dissociation as a motif. I've done a lot of reading about this theory or model. I've seen different terminology used. I'm using language that feels right to me. And ultimately, I'm less concerned with producing material that fits into this model and more concerned with just seeing what comes up for me. However, the structure of the project is very important to me. So ultimately, when I present these songs, I want to put them in context. So I am creating materials to describe what secondary structural dissociation is, which is a model for understanding how people can cope with prolonged trauma by developing parts, particularly a part that can get along in the fucking world, and then several trauma-holding parts, which can each express through a different trauma response. So I did want to have images associated for each of these parts that I can use in my materials. So the way I decided to come up with these was to name all the parts and write down some characteristics that I feel apply to these parts for me, to make a values statement associated with each of these parts. And then I sorted through childhood pictures and picked out pictures that I thought could possibly fit each of these parts, and then ultimately selected one and used that picture for the image. So that's what this is.